Raise your hand if you've ever snoozed your alarm only to end up late for work, feeling rushed and already stressed before the day even starts. Yeah, same here. But what if I told you that with just a few small tweaks to your morning, you could set yourself up for a super productive day? Let's talk about 5 simple habits that can completely transform your mornings. And trust me, it's easier than you think. All right, first up, keep your alarm away from your bed. This one's a game changer. You know how you're so tempted to hit snooze when the alarm goes off? If your phone is right next to you, it's basically a guarantee you'll roll over and do it. But if you put your phone across the room, suddenly getting out of bed becomes your only option. I promise once you're up, you're less likely to crawl back under the covers. And just like that, you're up and moving, ready to take on the day. Next, drink a full glass of water. You might be a coffee lover, but before you even reach for that cup of joe, hydrate. Your body's been fasting all night and it's craving some water. A full glass first thing in the morning will not only wake you up, but also give your body that much needed energy boost. If you want to level it up, toss a slice of lemon in there for some extra nutrients. Hydration equal energy, simple as that. Now let's talk about exercise. And no, I'm not saying you need to run a marathon before breakfast. But whether it's a quick 10-minute walk or a 30-minute workout, getting your body moving in the morning is a total game changer. Studies show that people who exercise in the morning have more energy and clearer minds. Plus, working out first thing actually boosts your mood and your self-control throughout the day. And who doesn't need a little more of that? Then comes quiet time. In our busy world, we rarely take a moment to just breathe and enjoy the stillness. But if you carve out even just 10 minutes in the morning to read, meditate, or plan your day, it can help clear your mind and reduce anxiety. Think about what you're grateful for, what you want to accomplish, and how today fits into the bigger picture. Trust me, a little quiet time sets the tone for a more focused and calm day. Finally, don't skip breakfast. I get it, mornings can be chaotic, but skipping breakfast, that's a no-go. People who eat breakfast are less likely to overeat later and tend to have more stable energy throughout the day. Whether it's something simple like a smoothie or a hearty plate of eggs, make sure you're fueling up early. Your body and your brain will thank you for it. So there you have it, a few simple tweaks that can completely change how you start your day. A good morning doesn't have to be complicated. With these easy habits, you'll be setting yourself up for success. And who knows, you might even become one of those morning people we all secretly envy. Remember, you don't need to do all of this at once. Start small, and soon enough, these habits will feel like second nature. So get up, hydrate, move, find some peace, and fuel your body. You've got this. Let's make tomorrow morning your best one yet.